Uli, Anambra State on fire right now. They say a heavily bombardment is going on over there as we are speaking. Hello, my wonderful people. You are welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, what are you waiting for? Do not forget to give us a follow for more updates as they happen. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell for quick updates. Remember, say information I be the key, and that's why we are here bringing it back to back as they happen anywhere where they happen to you. Okay, more we go look into the ogbonge news where we get for hand today. They say no be small thing dey happen for Uli for Anambra State right now. They say breaking news. A heavy bombardment is ongoing in Anambra. This is a totally war is going. The Nigerian military and police joint force bombing people's house and terrorizing the community as we are here. Okay, and we are going to play you the video for you to watch, and when we come back, we'll continue.
I'm on tank.
Okay, my wonderful people, you're highly welcome back as you have watched that video and see how they chop off the roof with their bombs. So this is actually happening in Uli, Anambra State. So where we can't get this update? Now we can't the wonder say wetin can happen, and where is our Biafra Liberation Army? And I hope they are alert when these people are coming in this community to deal with people. If you are following up what is happening in Ambazonia right now, you see how Ambazonia are dealing with these people mercilessly, defeating them, capturing their territories. This is happening in Ambazonia. So in this case, and I rush into Simon Ekpa airspace to see what he have to say about this, and this is what he responded. He said, "This is happening right now at Uli. Those who are stabbing us from back and the sabos will definitely hear from us." This is what the Simon Ekpa say concerning this. My people, na so we see am o. Your own contribution is also needed here as well. So what do you think? Is there any advice you have to give to them or your own thoughts? So drop it in the comment section. No be small thing o. Remember, as Simon Ekpa dey talk, na Simon Ekpa come reply Peter Obi, come say im go open road for all those Peter Obi fans, which is obedient, those who want to join Biafra struggle, that he welcome them to join, but it's not going to give them all secret and all information. And Simon Ekpa also went ahead and said that he want to get a Biafra where the court can judge without public opinion, that in Nigeria judicial system is being working by hearing public opinion and they can judge you. That means say I fit go, somebody can drink and come and write, send this person to prison, deserve to go to prison and the judges will listen and send the person to prison. This is what I understand Simon Ekpa is saying at this particular side. Okay, we are going to go ahead and play the video for those of you who did not watch his program, for you to watch and hear everything he said in a response of the judgment of Obi.
One thing you should know is that it is not it's not just about the exposition I made. Every reasonable person should know this. This is is an elementary knowledge that every reasonable person should know. That you can't go, you allow the Tinubu to go through the process of verification, go through the process of passing the primary election from his party, and then you also allowed him to contest, to be a flag bearer of his party, and then to go into the main election as a contestant or aspirant. And then you contested against him, only for you to turn back to say he was convicted in the United States. He forged the document and all that. So every reasonable person should have known that it is all along a scam. And let me tell you that the reason why all these people, Atiku and Obi, all of them, the reason why they are doing what they are doing is to cover a lot of impunities up. It was an agreement between Tinubu and other cabals who are running Nigeria that Tinubu should be the next president because he knows much about the dead Buhari. People don't believe that Buhari is dead, or he's dead, and Tinubu is aware. Tinubu know a lot of things concerning that. So they went into this agreement, and those who are caucus knows that Tinubu have a lot of information which could tear Nigeria apart even faster than the Biafra agitation. So what you see happening now is just a kangaroo court, a kangaroo ruling to deceive the public. Peter Obi is aware of it. He was never serious. Like I have said from the beginning, from the onset, Peter Obi was only a tool that is being used by the British to lure other Biafrans into supporting one Nigeria, so that by the time they fail like this, you'll be down. You will not have the impetus to come back again and start shouting Biafra, because every reasonable person will say, oh, it's because you lost the election. That's why you are coming down to fight for Biafra. And they're never going to take you serious. So, but look at where we are. We stood our ground because we know something that they don't know. And we stood our ground. So nobody will now come and say, oh, because the P2B has failed. So now Biafra agitation is now burning like a flame. Biafra agitation has been burning like a flame during the election. We have not stopped. Continue to burn like a flame after the election. It continued to burn like a flame during the tribunal ruling. So nobody will come down and say, oh, it is because of the P2B lost election. So anybody coming from obedient to join Biafra liberation can join. Nobody's going to, because you don't even know who they are. So nobody will come down and say, oh, it's because of the election. But if all of us have abandoned this particular Biafra agitation, according to them, to go and start following P2B, which is a scam, don't you see that Biafra would have been a closed chapter by now? Because there is no reasonable person that is going to listen to you. They will only say it is because you failed election. And then it become a political movement, which is what all these criminals, defunct criminals that were expelled in the struggle, have been piloting for many years. So, yes, and that is the reason why I'm not making exposition on many things. I'm not making analysis on many things, because Nigeria are dumb. Like most of these people that are, you can imagine the names of those who are the tribunal judges. If you listen to the name, you're going to see they are from Connaught, so they know nothing. They don't have critical thinking. So most of the judges in Nigeria are making their rulings based on public opinion. So you are right. You may be right. That is because of the exposition I made and that because exactly what I said is how they pronounce their ruling. Exactly what I said. So we cannot completely rule that out, that it is because so this is exactly what they follow. So we already know that the jurisprudence in Nigeria is all about public opinion. That's why anything that is happening, they come to public and they push it to the media instead of them handling it in the court. They want to see how public will react. They want to hear the public opinion, and then the ruling goes that way. And that is a very, very terrible situation, and one of the reasons that we have to get our freedom and begin to practice, the real justice system, and how the judges can make their ruling not based on public opinion, but based on the what the law says. Thank you.
PM,
Yes,
It's good that you recognize that
with a limited information. So we know how we protect our information, the Biafra movement. So they can join us and support the movement financially and otherwise. But the information they are going to be having will be very limited. And that's what we're going to do to everybody that is coming from obedient to this movement, because they're going to come. Most of them today cannot go back to their villages because of the insecurity. And so they need to be part of what we are doing for Biafra to.
Okay, my wonderful people, yeah, welcome back as I've watched that and hear what Simon Ekwa said in this particular video, the analysis that he make, and also urge some people who are still doubting to join him, and they are welcome, but he's not going to share all information with them, and they also explain more of how Nigeria rulings are working, like their judiciary system are also working. No be small thing o. Okay, my people, na so we see am o, and now we say make we bring am come give you. Abeg, wetin be your opinion for dis thing wey Simon Ekpa talk, and wetin you think wey dey go on for Uli now? If you are from Uli, abeg no forget to update us wetin dey go on for dat side. No be small thing. Okay, we go see you people for the next video. No forget to follow this page, and no forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Remember, information na be the key. If you no dey get information, that mean say something go dey happen, people go dey tell you. Anywhere wey you dey get the rightful information, wey you know say na true, we no dey carry fake news for here. We are backing our news up with videos and the facts. So try to follow this page and also go and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more update as e dey happen. Abeg o, no forget to turn on your notification bell for more updates. Okay, thank you so much for watching.